everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I'm going to introduce to you the TD108 watch receiver. This is the package and the watch receiver and the charging cable and the menu. For this product, let's see its appearance first. We have the black and white color, and there are 4 keys for this product. And also for the wrist, you can remove it like this. And we have the belt clip for it as well, so you can buy separately if you need the belt clip. And for the charging, it's a magnetic suction charging. So you need to put like this. If you put the wrong way, like this, it won't working. So it will work like this. It's quite easy. And for this product, it has built-in rechargeable battery, and it supports 999 co-button transmitter. And also the range is about 200 to 300 meters in open area. Now let me show you what functions do this product have. First, we need to press this for a few seconds and to turn it on. Okay, now we can see its time and the year, month, and date, so you can change it. And this is the wake time and the battery and the signal. Short press the menu. It will go to the functions and use the up and down to change the function that you want. First, it add buttons and a key define, prompt setting, alert repeat, and a power timer, pending remind, alarm clock, clear history, date and time setting, language, password, and default setting, black box, and about the system. Okay, and this is all the functions it has. I will show you how to operate in next video, so you can check next time. If you want to know more about this product, feel free to contact us by support@retekess.com. And you can also visit our website www.retekess.com for more products. Thank you.